What's up, my friends? Welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to do a desk tour setup. I've been wanting to do this for a while, so we're trying to go with more the minimal aesthetics. There's a couple things that I do want to change, well, literally just one thing, but let's hop into it and let me tell you about it. So the first thing that I want to talk about is the actual desk. The desk is on this Jarvis standing desk system. I got it for free from a homie from the church. Thank you, homie. The top of the desk, I actually recently bought it for $15 off of Facebook Market. The one prior that came with the Jarvis was maybe a little less, probably about a third of this size. And it was nice, but I wanted something larger. And then we moved to the mouse. The mouse here is a Death Hider Elite from Razer. My homie gave me this years ago and still using it. It's perfectly fine. RGB. For my keyboard, I'm using a Razer keyboard. So the Razer Synosa V2. I'm probably butchering the name, but it's a good keyboard. You know, these are affordable things. Once again, the mouse I got for free. The keyboard was about $30 to $40. Totally fine with me. Monitor is an Acer monitor. I'm blanking on the name. I got it from Best Buy. It was like almost $300. 165 hertz. I think it is a 28-inch monitor. I like it. Wallpaper, plants, because I love plants. I have this Hello Kitty here. This Hello Kitty toy is from McDonald's. And one of my nephews or nieces gave it to me, but I wanted to put it on the desk. I was like, do I throw it away or do I keep it? I was like, I'll just keep it. And it's black and white. It goes with the looks. Moving from there, the go-to wireless charger. I have my iPhone 12 there with the Moment lens case. Moving from there, I have my Razer laptop. This is a Razer 15-inch blade, 2070 Max Q or whatever. It's cool. I game, I stream, we do everything we need to do. And that is closed on a laptop stand mount, whatever you want to call it. From there, my headset is a, once again, Razer headset. These headphones are the Razer Barracuda X. They're wired, they're wireless, they're good. I mean, I enjoy them. They do what they need to do. Once again, I am an avid gamer, but not like a hardcore pro, so it's like, what's the point? I'm a pro, but not a hardcore pro. From there, I have a arm that is holding a ring light. Kind of moving back, actually, I have a Logitech T920, I think it is. I don't know. This is the HD one that everybody has. And then I have another boom over here that holds my Blue Yeti, and I keep that behind the monitor when I'm not streaming or on Discord or whatever it is. And from there, I got my plants. I don't know if it's really going to be very good here. The light is decent. This is the only window we have here. I'm still trying to figure out exactly what plants work. This room doesn't get too much light, so still trying to figure that out. This mat is just a game mat. I definitely do want to get a more minimal mat, whether it's like white or black. I don't know. We'll see. And then the last thing is this box that I have here. But I keep just some my cord for the wire for the Razer headset. I keep some SD cards here and just some random dice. Yeah, and then that just kind of lives towards the side. That is everything that's on my desk. This is how it looks. Oh, and then on the wall I do have some foam mat. The mat is, I got it from Amazon. It's cool. I mean, I don't really know how well it does just because it's really behind everything. If anything, it's more for aesthetics. I totally forgot. I do have an iPad. I have my iPad here, and I use my iPad for when I'm streaming to look at chat. So yeah, so this is my setup for 2022 moving forward. We might change, you know, a few things here and there, like the mat once again. But hey, if you enjoyed this video, if it inspired you, comment, like, subscribe. But until next time, my friends, be blessed, be safe, and have a good one. Cheers.